Hangzhou Relaxlines is a subsidiary of Proway Import and Export Group, which was founded in 2005. The company specializes in home upgrade solutions, focusing on components for the bathtub and shower industry, building materials, aquariums, and other home improvement furnishings. With 20 years of experience in cross-border trade and vertical supply chain integration, Relaxlines provides cost-effective components and comprehensive product solutions to customers around the world. With 3 self-owned factories strategically located in Zhejiang, Jiangsu, and Guangdong, the company has established a fully integrated manufacturing system covering the entire production chain from raw material processing to final assembly. Backed by robust capacity, it delivers over 50 million aquarium products annually, with yearly sales exceeding 100 million RMB and an on-time delivery rate of over 99%. Equipped with a CNAS-accredited laboratory, the products meet global standards with CE, NSF, and ISO 9001 certifications. Holding numerous proprietary patents, the company remains at the forefront of technological innovation and new product development. Relaxlines is dedicated to delivering customized services and one-stop system solutions, covering every stage from product design and R&D to global manufacturing and delivery. Our featured products span multiple key categories: explosion-resistant glass aquariums with 92% light transmittance, offering crystal-clear underwater views; eco-friendly modular bird cages designed for flexible assembly and elegant functionality; high-porosity cake filter media, enhancing bacterial growth and ensuring water clarity; versatile and lightweight Ava bags, perfect for a wide range of storage needs; and durable plastic composite panels engineered for outdoor use, built to withstand the elements. Celebrating 20 years of excellence, Relaxlines continues to lead with innovation and precision manufacturing, pushing boundaries to deliver smarter, more reliable home upgrade solutions. Partner with Relaxlines and unlock your exclusive one-stop service experience.